Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So you must be using ChatGPT, you must be using Gemini, or you must be using Meta AI. But in this video, I will show you 100 plus AI tools that is available on the internet and specific to different tasks. So you can use these 100 plus AI tools absolutely for free. It is freely available on the internet and you probably don't know about these AI tools. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first of all, I will open my Google Chrome browser and there's a website called Boat Human. Okay, so what I will do is boathumans.com. This is the website where the website offers 100 plus fun and useful free AI tools. Okay, like you can see here is image generator. Like you will give it any prompt of what your image to look like and AI will create it for you. It is based on Stable Fusion. So it generates best images. Like if you want to generate an image, you need to fill out this form and you need to give it a prompt here, and then it will generate a real-time image based on your prompt. There are more AI tools, free AI tools like Let the AI Plan Your Vacation. Okay, you can just upload an image and then let this AI talk about your image. You can ask questions about an image and it will answer. Okay, so now here are more AI tools like code generation. You can just describe the program you want to create and then AI will write the programming code for you. Okay, this is not the best. I have used it, but this is not the best. You can just alternatively you can use ChatGPT or you can use Gemini to generate codes for you. And then here is the best thing: AI generated podcast. Listen to podcast 100% created by AI. You just have to click here, and then it will create many podcasts that you can just listen to from here. Okay, and then here are many other things here: new word generator, writing prompt generator. Okay, you can just get the idea of your story, or you can just use this to create a free logo using AI. This image background remover works in seconds for PNG and JPG images. This is the best tool I have used in this website. And then article writer, you can just give it a topic and this AI will create, or this AI will write the article for you. And the best tool in my opinion is super resolution. And what it will do is it will improve the resolution of your photo by 4x. This is the best tool. You just need to upload a photo that is not HD or that is not very good resolution. What it will do is it will just change the resolution and make it HD Ultra Plus. Okay, AI will build a website for you. This is not the best tool, but it will just create the basic layout of your website. Okay, and then academic research paper generator. This is another best tool in my opinion in this website. Text summarizer, create a summary of any article, paper or document. This is good to create a summary of your article or text improvement. It will improve the fluency, clarity and vocabulary of the writing. It is very good. And grammar checker, you can use these both to fix your problems, to fix your grammatical problems and clarity and vocabulary of your writing. Okay, so here is another tool, text paraphraser. AI tool, you can use AI tool to paraphrase your article or to paraphrase your words. This is another good application. And cartoonify yourself. A lot of people are searching on YouTube that how we can cartoonify or how we can make AI versions of ourselves. You can just use this tool, AI tool, cartoonify yourself to turn your face into cartoon. Okay, so this is another a good tool. This is another fun tool to use on this AI tools, boardhuman.com. And image generator, this is one of the best tools available on this website. Edit photo photos and images just by telling the AI what you want to change. Okay, you have to upload a picture and then you will tell the AI in prompt that what you want in the pictures to do, and AI will create by editing based on your prompt. So this is one of the best tool in this website, boardhumans.com. And one of the main tool here is AI tools directory, a database of over 5,000 AI tools. Okay, so what this will do is it will just list a lot of AI tools available on the internet. Some of them are free, some of them will you have to pay to use some of them, and here are more than 5,000 AI tools available, that is available on the internet. This is a directory that you can use to use the AI tools. Like you can see that text based, images based, programming, audio, video, 3D, recently added, general business. A lot of AI tools are here. You can just browse this website to get more and more AI tools. Okay, and the second best in my opinion on this website is ChatGPT prompt database. Over 1,000 prompts to help you get better results from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is awesome and Gemini is awesome. Meta.ai is awesome, but all you need to get the best result from these AI chatbots is good prompts. You need to master your prompts. You need to put the good prompts in these chatbots to get the best result from ChatGPT. So you can master your prompt engineering from here. Over 1,000 prompts to help you get better results from ChatGPT. You can use this database to master your prompts, your prompt skill, to give it to ChatGPT. Okay, and then our database search over 10 million images created by AI. There are more than 10 million images in this database. You can just search and you can use those images on your social media sites. Okay, and then a lot of other tools are here. AI Financial Analyst, enter the name or ticker symbol of a company for investment report. Okay, text to speech, type something and AI will speak it. This is one of the best tool available on this website, boardhumans.com. You can just use this text to speech. So there are many AI tools available on this website. You can just browse this website to use these AI tools absolutely for free. These are good tools. Some of these are good tools you can use in daily life to boost your social media, to for more productivity. You can use these AI tools. So this AI tool is probably you didn't know about before, but this is called boardhumans.com and it provides 100 plus AI tools absolutely for free on the internet. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.